Hi guys, this is Madhusen and here is HackNITR 2.0 Hackathon organized by NIT Rourkela. NIT Rourkela has organized HackNITR 2.0 and is all set to kickstart on 19th of March 2021. The hackathon will comprise 36 hours of intense hacking creativity from innovation by hundreds of students from technical institutes around the country. Everyone is welcome to apply. Any student, developer, designer, working professional or creative enthusiast who are passionate to join can participate in this hackathon. This hackathon comprises of total prizes worth of more than INR 8 lakh rupees. There will be free exclusive swags for all the participants, AWS Credits worth approximately INR 54,000, Internship Opportunities at Sashido, prizes for building an app using Matic, Tezos and Portis Technologies, exciting sponsored track prizes spanning across machine language and blockchain, and overall prize for an all-women team to encourage women participants in the tech field will also be done. So hurry up and click the link in the description to grab this opportunity.